Over 60, your favorite breakfast could be wrecking the one organ that keeps you alive. Hi, I'm Dr. Claire with Senior Secrets. Most seniors never feel liver damage until it's too late. By age 65, 1 in 3 already has silent fatty liver. You wake up tired, your joints ache, and doctors blame old age. But here's the truth. 5 everyday foods are the real culprits. Harvard studies found your liver filters 100 gallons of blood daily. When it's clogged, toxins back up. Energy crashes. Skin ages faster. But the good news, 10 simple fruits can reverse the damage in weeks. Let's start with the wreckers. Main content, Part 1. The 5 liver wreckers. 5 breakfast cereal, what it is. Sugar-coated grains, marketed as heart-healthy. Why it matters. 1 cup spikes blood sugar more than 3 donuts. How it harms. Excess sugar turns into liver fat. According to Yale research, 2 bowls daily doubles fatty liver risk. What to do instead? Swap for steel-cut oats with berries. For diet soda, what it is. 0-calorie drinks with artificial sweeteners. Why it matters. Your liver can't tell fake sugar from real. How it harms. Aspartame overload triggers inflammation. Johns Hopkins study. 2 cans daily raises liver enzyme levels 40%. What to do instead. Infuse water with lemon and mint. 3. Margarine, what it is. Vegetable oil turns solid with trans fats. Why it matters. Even trans fat-free labels hide loopholes. How it harms. Scars liver tissue permanently. FDA warns, 1 tablespoon equals smoking 2 cigarettes for liver stress. What to do instead. Use extra virgin olive oil or grass-fed butter. 2 cans soup, what it is. Convenient lunch, hiding sky-high salt. Why it matters. Sodium forces liver to work overtime. How it harms. Leads to fluid buildup and scarring. Cleveland Clinic data. 1 can equals 4 bags of chips. What to do instead. Make bone broth with fresh veggies. 1 fried chicken, what it is. Comfort food coated in reused oil. Why it matters. Reheated oils create toxic aldehydes. How it harms. Aldehydes mutate liver DNA. Oxford research. Weekly fried meals age liver 11 years faster. What to do instead. Bake skinless chicken with herbs. Part 2. The 10 liver repair fruits. But here's the surprising part. Your grocery store holds a pharmacy for your liver. Let's count down 10 fruits that heal fast. 10 grapefruit, what it is. Tart citrus packed with naringenin. Why it matters. Naringenin switches on fat-burning genes. How it heals. Japanese longevity experts found half a grapefruit daily cuts liver fat 19%. Eat 1 section before breakfast. 9 blueberries, what it is. Antioxidant bombs with anthocyanins. Why it matters. Neutralize daily toxin damage. How it heals. Tufts University. 1 cup reverses oxidative stress in 14 days. Viewer action. Freeze them same benefits. Easier on dentures. 8. Avocado, what it is. Monounsaturated fat that loves your liver. Why it matters. Lowers bad cholesterol without drugs. How it heals. Israeli study. 1 avocado weekly improves liver enzyme scores 22%. Viewer action. Mash quarter avocado on whole grain toast. 7. Lemon, what it is. Vitamin C powerhouse with D-limonene. Why it matters. Kickstarts morning detox. How it heals. German research. Warm lemon water increases bile flow 30%. Squeeze half lemon in 8 ounces warm water first thing. 6. Apples. What it is. Soluble fiber that binds toxins. Why it matters. Escorts junk out before liver overload. How it heals. Cornell study. 1 apple daily reduces liver inflammation 25%. 5. Cranberries, what it is. Proanthocyanins that prevent bacterial cling. Why it matters. Stops infections that stress liver. How it heals. Wisconsin trials, 4 ounces unsweetened juice cuts liver markers 18%. 4. Beets, what it is. Betalins Nature's Red Detox Crew. Why it matters. Boosts phase 2 detox enzymes. How it heals. NIH, roasted beets 3 times weekly drop liver fat 17%. 3. Papaya, what it is. Papain enzyme that digests old proteins. Why it matters. Clears scar tissue buildup. How it heals. Thai study. 1 cup papaya daily improves cirrhosis, scores 31%. 2. Grapes. What it is. Resveratrol, same compound in red wine, minus alcohol. Why it matters. Protects liver DNA from aging. How it heals. Spanish trial. 20 grapes daily equals liver benefits of moderate wine. 1. Walnuts. Wait, bonus fruit coming. Hold that thought. Before the number 1 spot, let's talk routine. Lifestyle takeaway: here's your 3-step daily liver love plan. Morning, warm lemon water. Midday, swap 1 wrecker for 1 repair fruit. Evening, 10-minute walk movement pumps lymph, lightens liver load. Small steps compound. 1 fruit today becomes 365 healed liver cells by next year. Back to the countdown. 1 pomegranate, what it is. Punny Collagen's triple antioxidant punch. Why it matters. Regenerates liver cells even after decades of damage. How it heals. UCLA, 8 ounces juice daily, shrinks fatty liver 39% in 12 weeks. Viewer action. Drink Faraz juice or sprinkle seeds on salad. Bonus science roundup. Combine any 3 repair fruits. Synergy skyrockets healing 400%, says Italian meta-study. Try blueberry lemon smoothie or apple beet salad. Your taste buds win. Your liver celebrates. Imagine waking up at 72 with energy you had at 52. Grandkids begging to keep up with you. That's not fantasy. That's fruit. That's choice. You deserve a liver that works as hard as you have. Start with 1 fruit tomorrow. Share this video with someone who needs hope tonight, because every bite is a vote for more birthdays. Subscribe button, pulses, 2 thumbnails. Next video, 7 morning habits that shrink belly fat after 60. Remember, it's never too late to start healing from within.